Hey guys, welcome back to the next part. So in this part, we're going to go through a simply amazing thing, which I probably think that's how probably most of you guys know about me, through the Alpha Investor calculator that I actually created. I'll share with you guys more later, but if this is the first time you're actually seeing it, I'll share with you guys more later. If you've actually seen it before, I've made some significant improvements on it. Alright, so first and foremost, for new people that are actually watching this, actually learn about this calculator, the question to you is, are you familiar with all the accounting terms, all the profit and EPS, all this kind of stuff? Are you familiar with all this kind of stuff? Because that plays a huge part in helping you determine whether you should invest in a stock or not. And if you're unconfident, if you're unsure of anything, you invest wrongly, and that's the end of your money. Alright, so it's very, very important that you know about the accounting familiarity. Now, next one is, how long do you spend researching a stock? Do you spend 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours? How long do you exactly spend on researching a single stock in the market? Next thing is, are you working? Because if you're working, you probably reach home at 7 p.m. at night. Average Singaporean will actually reach home at 7 to 7:30 p.m. at night. Then the market opens at 9:30. So do you actually have time to research stock and then at the same time spend time with family or go out for a evening jog to exercise, to keep your body fit, etc.? Do you actually have the time to do all of this? Now, what if there's a way to be, to do it this better? So next is, how much does 1 hour of the time means to you? Does it mean it is? You can simply count it out by how long you can spend on your family, or you can actually use it to use your the monthly wage divided by number of hours you work. That's how much 1 hour means to you. All right. Now, can we all agree that if you have enough time and enough knowledge, if you have a lot of time and a lot of knowledge, it will make you very, very successful in investing. If you have a lot of time, you can spend time, researching about stocks and everything. If you have a lot of knowledge, you know what you're researching, you know what you're looking at, you know what you're reading. Like Warren Buffett, he knows everything, and that makes investing very, very easy for them, and you can become a successful investor. And that's why I actually developed this Alpha Investor calculator. Now, this calculator, if you've seen it before, that's how it looks like. If you have not seen it before, it's a very comprehensive Excel model whereby you just type in a ticker symbol over here, press get data, and all the information will come back over to you. You get the company's profile, you get all the sectors, you get every single thing over here, intrinsic value, you get financial metrics, balance sheet, cash flow, income statement, comparators, growth, dividend, asset, price prediction model, every single thing. Now, the thing that it actually took 2 minutes to actually gather all this data on and come back to this Excel platform. I actually went up to meet Dr. Wealth. He's actually a very, very cool guy. Go check it out, his blog and everything. He actually teaches a lot on Singapore Stock Exchange, so do check it out. He's actually a very, very talented investor. So anyway, he said that, this platform, this Excel model is very, very good, very, very comprehensive. But the thing is that, beginner investors won't be able to absorb every single one of this data because, there's just too much for them to take note, right? Then after I met up with Investing Note CEO and Business Development, they told me that this Excel model, they also love the Excel model, by the way. They love it. They told me that I was very, very talented and everything. But the thing is that I'm just a student and all. There's no way to back up all these findings, all the intrinsic value that I actually calculated every single thing. There's no way, despite that those are those financial formulas right there. It's just no way to back it up and make sure that it is maybe like a professor is backing up or a PhD is backing up all this, right? So I was actually very, very disappointed after hearing all these comments because I spent 1 to 2 years researching and setting up all these things for investors like you and I. So after 1 week, I went back home. I was like damn sad. I gathered all my courage, everything, all my motivation. I restart all my whole work again, taking into account every single one of their feedback. So what I did was actually created the Alpha Investor 2.0. Now, why is this Alpha Investor 2.0? Let me just quickly bring you to the platform. This is the platform. Now it's running on Google Cloud, Google Sheet, Google Cloud. It runs super fast. Say goodbye in 2 minutes. You can find your stocks within 5-10 seconds. That's it. Right now, for example, we are Apple. We can simply just type Facebook. Alright, it will go online, search up every single thing, and then recalibrate back into this platform over here. So we are just waiting like a few seconds more, and then it will be all done up. So you can see Facebook confidence rating is coming up, profile is coming up, confidence 8.2. What is the entry price? And then this time around, the entry price took into account 45 analyst calculation. Okay, 45 analysts. And these are PhD holders, are certified financial analysts. There's only a small handful of people that can be a certified financial analyst. And I took into account their price. Okay. After which you look at economic modes, the financial health, the leverage and liquidity, the profitability, the valuation, everything. You can look at the simply profitability, debt and leverage, financial health. You can look at how much positive revenue they're making. Is it good or bad? You know, the performance, revenue performance quarter over quarter, is it good or bad, poor, etc., etc. 1 year return, 3 years return, 5 year return. We also can look at the technical outlook of this. We have a chart for you to show all the technical support and resistance points. What's the overall strength? We use AI and algorithm to calculate a potential short-term support line. So for example, 170, you can see here, it's a plus minus kind of thing. It can't be 100% accurate because it's trying to take the best fit one, right? So you can see a potential support at 170 and a potential resistance at 193, around here, right? Around here. So it's like this. You show up, use algorithm and AI to actually calculate all these things for you out. And then further on, you move down to analysts, you know, what are some comparators, you know, what are some upgrades, downgrades, the coverage and everything. And then, yeah, let me just move my logo down. Okay, but anyway, it's okay, you have to move it right now. So anyway, this is how the calculator looks like, and the whole comprehensive calculator. It's the most in-depth one, all done in 5 seconds. So for example, you want to find like maybe 3M. Sorry, my computer is lagging because I'm running very, very low on battery. I have like less than 10%. So for example, you want to go for 3M. Right now, my whole overall performance in the computer is lagging because of the computer, but because of the battery. But if you're actually using up, if I actually have full bat, this thing will run super smooth within 5 to 10 seconds. Everything will be done for you. See, it's all done. It's so quick and simple. Everything is done for you. All right, it tells you the overall strength of 3M is sell, because obviously, you look at this chart over here, you should sell, right? So right now, what's going to happen is that I want you guys to do me a huge favor to actually go over to this link, go over to this QR code. You know, they will take you to our Facebook page. Now we would really appreciate if you guys could leave a review for us, a review or experience of how you feel that we have actually done for the community, that we actually conduct all these events for free of charge. You can invite anyone you want, come over to learn with us for free. There is no money involved, there's even no donation required, okay? So, do us a huge favor, please help us to leave a good review, and if you do leave us a good review, what I'm going to do is I'm going to PM you on the Facebook, because when you leave a review, I can personal message you, right? I'm going to PM you 3 stocks that we are actually, you know, looking at for the month of June. All right, 3 stocks that we are looking at. So, if you do that, we really will send you, maybe within next 1 to 3 days, because we still need time to consolidate everyone's review and everything. So we'll do that. Once again, thank you for supporting us. And if you are an Alpha Investor Club member, please stay tuned for the next video. If you are not, then the next video is really actually not for you guys. Alright, so thank you very much for tuning into this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.